I was just going to show a small issue with my Tonex pedal. If you look at the volume knob, watch what happens here. It goes from 0 to 5, then up, and when it hits here, it goes to 10, and then just a little bit past, it goes from 8 to 0, and then back to 10 again, which is kind of a problem when it shoots the volume way up. And at first I wasn't sure, thought it was kind of weird, but none of the other switches do that. So all these work fine from 0 to 10. But again, volume, as you can see, it gets to here and then it drops to 0 and then it shoots to 10. There it goes. And very strange, but it's not right. So I called Sweetwater, so hopefully they'll be helping me out soon, but just wanted to show you in case somebody else's does that. It's not right. Get it fixed. We'll get a new one.